it's Julia and I'm back with another video for you. Today I have my family with me and they're all going to be doing my makeup. Somehow I convinced them to do it. Don't know how I got these two to do it, but I did. How this is gonna work is I have a bag with all of the steps I normally do for like a normal routine. So they're each gonna pick it out one by one, closing their eyes, and then they're going to have to do whatever they pick out in the order that I normally do my makeup. So are you guys ready?
We're ready. We're ready. You're gonna have to explain steps.
I know. I'll try my best.
Oh, I go first?
Yeah. Doesn't mean you're gonna actually go first.
Oh, okay.
What'd you get?
Wait, I got two, so it's one. I got three. Alright.
Can you open it?
Yes.
You having trouble?
Bronzer.
Wow.
Bronzer.
I got setting spray.
I'm like in the way of the shot.
Okay.
I got lipstick.
Wow.
Wow, lipstick. Eye primer.
Go ahead, here. Just take it.
Blush.
Woo!
Blush.
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 Highlight.
Mascara.
Oh, no!
Mascara.
Okay, I got face primer.
Concealer.
I don't even know what half these words are.
Yeah, me neither. I know lipstick.
Brows.
Oh
Brows.
I got, oh yay, eyeshadow. Woo!
Eye linear.
Liner, dork.
Linear. Eyelashes.
Oh
Eyelashes.
no!
Powder.
Oh, great.
Let's get this bread.
Okay, so we're doing brows first.
Oh, that's me?
So I'll get out the stuff
win.
that I use. You can decide whether you want to use both of them or just one, I don't care. But I use the Anastasia Dip Brow in taupe, and then I use the taupe Brow Powder Duo. This one is a powder, and this one is like a pomade. So it's like, you know what I mean?
So what do I do?
So I have brushes. This is a dual-ended brush. So if you need to brush out my brows or blend it, you can do that. And then it also has the brush on there. So if you just want to use powder like I did,
Okay.
you can just use that. But if you want to go crazy, you can use that.
But I use the brush to apply it,
Yes.
and I only
Not the
pick
spoolie.
one
You
color.
can do both.
Do both.
You can mix whatever.
All right, I'll do the darker. And so wait, so I just scrub it off like that?
No, he's doing it with the spoolie. This is called a
What do I
spoolie. You brush out my brows with this. This is a brush.
Okay.
This is what you
Do
apply
you brush
it with.
out first?
Yes, or to blend it.
Okay, right?
Wow, you're really going in. Yep.
What? What am I supposed? Well, what if I get it on your eyelash or eyelid?
Just blow it off.
Well, that doesn't work. Okay, and then I use this to like brush it out.
Mm-hmm.
But I got it like all like over your eyelid and your.
Okay,
So how do I
now
wipe that
what
off?
you can do
I
is
will
use
be
a
an assistant.
you can use a magical thing called a makeup wipe and clean up any of your mistakes.
It's magical.
By the way, I am not wearing contacts or anything. I'm just wearing glasses, so I'm kind of blind right now.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
All right, I
Eyebrows
can't
done.
see it at all. I'll only see the finished product. So what we have next is eye primer. Who has that?
I have eye primer.
Eye primer, okay. let me
Go,
try
Dad, go.
it. This is,
What are you doing?
you
And what
put
do I
it
do?
on my eyelids, all over.
With my finger?
Yes.
And just.
Yeah, just make sure you really, just get it all over the eye.
So I have eyeshadow. Can I have the boys pick out the colors that they want me to use on you?
Sure, go ahead. Why
Okay,
not?
is
Let's
that
make
good?
it crazy. I don't know.
Okay.
Sure. I can't
Alright.
see it.
Okay.
Okay,
Wait.
Mother has eyeshadow, and
I'll
I
take
have
this
all my eye brushes are right here.
Okay.
You want to use those?
So
'Cause I
you
can't see
pick
'em.
2 and Dad can pick 3.
Start with this one.
Okay, that's one that you're picking? Okay.
And I have
What's
a
another
bunch
one?
of different palettes. I have like the James Charles palette. I have the
Okay,
Lunar
you're it.
Beauty.
You're done.
I have the
What about
Jaclyn
you?
Hill.
Wait, was
I
it
have a
that
bunch
one
of
or
them.
that one?
Yeah.
The Dare to Create. So
That one?
this should be
Okay.
interesting. There's lots of colors.
And that one?
So this one and this one, or
Yeah.
did you say that one?
No, this one.
I'm scared.
You should be.
Really?
that
I really haven't had anyone else do my makeup, so it feels really weird.
I think we'll do.
Wait, is Sophie?
Jay,
What?
did you? Was it this one?
No, down. Yep.
It tickles. I didn't
Sophie's watching.
expect it to tickle.
Let's build on that.
Don't. This is gonna be so awesome. This is gonna
Okay.
be so cool.
Then
What palettes
Yes.
are you using? Do you know
this
their
and
names?
this. James Charles, and what's the other big one?
The Dare to Create.
You got
both of
makeup
those.
on the
Both
table.
of those.
These colors are so pretty together.
Really? Mom!
You're gonna look like a
A troll.
no, not a troll. I was gonna say a
Cake.
macaw.
Okay.
Oh, you picked bright colors.
I still think your eyebrows are the best.
Oh, I can't wait to see those.
Blend, 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 blend. Okay.
All right.
Alright.
Alright, so she's gonna do the other eye off camera and then we'll be back. Okay, now face primer. So we have 3 of these. You get to choose if you want all of them, if you want just 1 or 2, up to you.
I think we're gonna go
Jeremy?
with
So
Smashbox.
I don't normally put it like all over, just in the places I put concealer.
Ooh, this is soft.
Mm-hmm.
And a little goes a long way.
Yeah. Who has concealer? So what I normally do is I just use a little bit of this Tarte Shape Tape, just a little bit, like a dot.
Okay.
I put it here, 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 a little on my
I can
nose.
see the ring on your eye.
Really?
Yeah.
And then here. And then I go in with the Fit Me concealer by Maybelline in number
So wait,
10.
what am I doing though?
Hold on. And you can either use a sponge or a brush. So it's up to you. What do you want to use, a sponge or a brush?
Sponge.
Sponge? Okay. You like bounce it around so it blends. Okay?
So wait, where are the dots?
Here, here, nose, and here.
Bah.
So under my, yeah, under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, and my chin. You're being so like little with it.
Am I not supposed to?
It's okay. It's fine. Does it look good?
Yeah, I did a pretty good job.
I'm scared because I literally can't see anything.
I did a good
Like
job.
not even in the viewfinder.
I did a good
don't know
job.
what I look like.
Well, like blend it right around that area.
Okay. Alright.
Is that? Are you good?
Yeah,
You're
we're
done.
good. We're done.
Good with that?
Yep.
Okay. Who has powder? Do you want to use a brush or a sponge?
I'm gonna use a brush.
A brush? Okay. You can use whichever one. And then, do you want Laura Mercier translucent setting powder or the Airspun loose face powder?
Airspun.
Okay.
Did you say sponge too?
If you want.
Which sponge?
This one.
Yeah, let's do that.
Have you ever watched my makeup videos?
I watch every one of them.
Oh, you do?
Yep.
You're
I don't know
so
how you do
welcome.
everything though. It's hard for me to.
Pay attention?
No, it's hard for me to actually get it to look as good as you get it to look on your
Do you
face.
watch the whole video?
Yeah,
Aw.
but sometimes I use it as my own tutorial.
Aw. Was my like easy for makeup for beginners helpful?
Yes.
Yes. Why are you under the table?
I'm petting Sophie.
To his bronzer.
Me.
Okay. I use the Benefit. I use the Benefit Hoola bronzer. Okay, and this one has hit pan. It's almost out.
What does
So
that
you're gonna
mean?
have to go around the edges because this is the actual product.
Okay.
So I use this. It's the Morphe R2, and you dip it in there.
Okay.
You can tap off the excess if you want, and then I put it on my cheekbones,
Okay.
on my forehead,
Okay.
on my jawline,
Okay.
and then I take this brush and I put it on my nose, on the sides of my nose.
Okay.
He was really digging in there.
Is that how you do it?
Are you trying to go on my jawline?
Yeah.
Okay, then sure. I thought he was gonna go on my cheek. I thought that was him doing my cheekbones at first. So I was like, what are you
Oh.
doing?
Oh,
You did
I
my
had to do
cheekbones,
cheekbone.
yeah.
Wait, did I do this one?
No, you didn't.
Okay, so like. that?
Go a little lower.
Oh.
So like under her cheekbone.
Oh.
Yeah.
So like if you do this,
Too late.
You can blend it out, it's fine.
I've got blush. We'll make it work.
Too late.
You've got blush?
Mhm.
Okay, good.
Is that a lot?
No.
Is that a lot? Why do you shrug?
I don't use bronzer, so I can't tell you.
Oh.
And I'm blind right now, so I can't tell you either. Yeah, I go down the sides of my nose, and then, yeah. And then I blend it out too. So you can use the other end to blend it out.
Okay.
Jeremy, where are you? Under the table still?
No.
Yes.
Oh yeah, he is.
Okay.
Are you happy with your work? Yeah.
I'm happy.
Alright.
So do we make you look like a clown or do we make you look more natural? We're gonna do this one. Pixie by Petra.
Are you boys having so much fun?
Yes.
This is really pigmented, I'm surprised.
It is?
Yeah, like,
Oh.
sorry, I'm trying to blend some highlight in here.
You mean
Whatever that's called, bronzer.
bronzer? You can actually finish my eyes now too. Go underneath.
Okay.
You look marvelous.
Okay.
So you use this brush. Do you know where highlight goes?
No.
Okay. Highlight goes on the cheekbones, right? I put a little bit above my brow, on the tip of my nose, and like here. A little bit here. And do you want to use some of these, or do you want to use the James Charles highlight?
I'll use the James Charles highlight.
Okay.
Is that a lot?
Whatever you feel. You're the makeup artist here.
Alright.
Now take the same highlight on this brush,
Okay.
and you're gonna put it right in here, in my eyes.
Very gently.
Now we have setting spray.
That's me.
It's
Okay.
just like hairspray for your face?
Yeah, kind of. Hairspray for your face.
Okay, ready?
It's the Morphe setting spray.
Let's go in.
So this, you can't even see the label on it anymore, but it's the Kat Von
Oh,
D.
it's when I wrote on that's the thing
Yeah.
that I wrote on you.
This is the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper, but it has no label on it because I've used this so many times. So this you just put on my eye. I normally don't do a wing anymore, but if you want to do a wing, you can. Normally, I just go right on the top of my lash line. Don't write on my face, please. Oh, are you trying to go underneath my eyes too?
No.
Okay, because it felt like it.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Oh, is that the wing that you're trying to do?
Maybe. Boom.
I can just feel that it's wrong. Are you done? Are you happy with your work?
Yeah.
Okay.
I kind of want to sign my name on your forehead.
No, that's not happening. Father, you have mascara.
Mascara.
You can curl my lashes with that and then apply this.
And what do? You just hold this down for what?
Yeah. I'm scared.
My fingers
No
are
one has
too
ever
big.
done this to me.
I don't know what this is doing.
You gotta catch your eyelashes.
I think I'm just getting the tops. I don't know if that did anything.
Yeah, it's fine.
I don't know.
Okay, now mascara. You put that on my bottom and top lashes.
Alright, so you just like upward strokes?
You can get off some of the excess at the top. But yeah. You do like underneath my eyelashes and then over top of these ones.
Okay. You got a lot of eyelashes.
Doesn't she?
Yeah.
I try.
I don't know, is that good?
Hey.
Not bad. I don't think you've gotten it on my face.
Okay,
So that's
now I
good.
gotta do the lower. You have very long eyelashes. You can't see them until they're...
Yeah, I
marked
know
out,
that
but-
like half of them are blonde.
That was horrible, but...
No! Thank you.
Alright.
Okay, one more step, everyone. Lipstick. Alright, Jeremy has lipstick. So what I'm giving him to use is the Anastasia... Ow, you stepped on my foot. What I give him to use is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette. So it has a bunch of different colors in it. So you get to use this. And it has a brush in here for you. I'm going to close my eyes.
Okay, now you can
Oh my
Here, use a makeup wipe to clean the edges a little bit.
Oh.
Did you smear it?
Want some help?
Yeah. Do you know what color it is?
No, I can't see it. I feel like it's blue,
Close.
purple,
Close.
red,
Close.
yellow.
Close.
I wonder if you were ever good at coloring in the lines.
I wasn't.
You done?
Yeah, I'm done.
So I'm like blind right now. So should I put on my glasses and then look at it, or should I just look at it
Look at it first.
first?
I can't.
Okay.
How'd we do? Did it work?
Do we do good?
Should we quit our day job?
Oh my god. Okay. Okay.
How did you do on the
Eyeshadow
eyelashes?
actually does not look bad. Eyeliner, Jeremy.
Good job, right?
Mascara, not bad.
Clumpy. It was clumpy.
Yeah, it was a little bit. It's just the way you apply it, but you didn't know how to apply it. So lipstick, Jeremy.
What do you think of the color?
Do you
or,
like
lack,
it?
or lack thereof?
Do you like it?
I wouldn't mind you putting black lipstick on me, but you don't know how to fill in the lines. The face concealer, Jeremy.
Yeah.
Normally I put it all the way up here, and I think you just got up to here. But it doesn't look that bad. You look like you blended it out, but I don't think you put that much concealer on
Should
my
we
face.
put black lipstick on Sophie?
Somehow I have black all the way over here. I don't know why. The bronzer doesn't look bad.
Good job.
Who did the bronzer?
Yeah, you. The nose is a little harsh, but like that's okay. Blush is kind of a lot, but
It was
not bad.
pigmented.
Highlight, good job, Jeremy. Brows,
Where are they?
you're almost there.
Wait, did I actually do a good job for highlight?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Wait, I did brows, right?
Yeah, it's, you tried your best.
I did.
All right, well, how do you guys feel about your work? What
That
do you
was
rate
fun.
it?
3 out of 10.
Sophie, what do you think? What do you think? She's like, I don't
That
care.
was funny.
Thank you guys
That's fun.
for coming on my channel,
Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification button.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. As he said, make sure to hit that thumbs up button for me, and then hit that red subscribe button. Comment any video suggestions down below, and all my
Hit it
social
with your
media
elbow.
are linked in the description box. Other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy holidays from my family to yours.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas.
And I hope you guys had a wonderful day, or are going to have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!